Friends, today I am going to make Lehsuni Palak with Cauliflower Pakora. Rich and creamy garlic flavored spinach sauce with fried cauliflower. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Red chilli, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric and some fenugreek powder. A bunch, around 250 gram of spinach leaf, around 250 gram of cauliflower, cut it and wash. Lots of garlic, 3-4 pieces of green chilli, a piece of ginger, a small tomato, a medium onion. Chop this ingredient finely. Cumin seed, 3 dried red chillies, some rice flour, corn flour and all-purpose flour. First I am going to blanch this spinaches to make a vibrant color. Put all spinach in a boiled water. Cook this for 2 minutes. Yes, it's over. Convert it into ice water so that the cooking process will stop. Squeeze the water well. Now the cauliflower and cook for 3 minutes. Now convert into another take into 3 part, 1 part chop well and keep it separate. This part will grind into paste. The puree part of the ready. Take a spoonful of spinach, add flour, some corn flour, some rice flour, salt, a pinch of asafoetida powder, some red chili powder, some coriander powder. Add more water. Dip our cauliflower in it so that the batter and spice will go all the curves better. Add more rice flour. Make a smooth batter so that all will covered in rice flour. The oil is heated well. Add pakoras in it. Fried well. Remove it from the fire. Heat the kadai first, then add cumin seed, onion and green chilli. Saute well. Now cut ginger and garlic. Saute until the green taste will go. Now add the chopped spinach. And tomato also. Cook until the spinach and tomato will become soft. There are some cornstarch in it. The cornstarch will give you the creamy texture to this spinach sauce. Now add the spice, pinch of asafoetida, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, now add gingered spinach. Now add water. Let boil it well. Sauce is having creamy texture. Now add little bit of salt because spinach is already having a salty taste. Spinach is rich with potassium, so that spinach is having already naturally salted. Now add this pakoras in it. Add some garam masala. Now remove it from the fire. Keep at the top pan. Add some clarified butter or desi ghee. Add some cumin seed, garlic, and some red chili. Now it's ready to serve. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for next innovative recipes. Thank you.